How to create a thank you page in Elementor. So the first thing that we want to do is log into our account here, and we want to hover over the preview of our website and then click on edit with Elementor. Now this will load up the website editor, and the first thing that we need to go is we need to go to pages here. I already have some pages, but we are going to select add new here, and we'll change the name to thank you page. And we can just click anywhere. This will create the page itself, and here's where we will begin setting it up. So we'll go to pages and we will click to make sure that this page is open. Now, once we have the thank you page open, I'm just going to click on it here. It's going to say draft at first, but we will click on this plus sign. Then we will add a flex box and we will add a text editor. Now, it's going to look like this. It's going to give us an automatic text, but what I'm going to do is I'll paste some text that I just created. So thank you for stopping by our website. We hope you found everything you were searching for. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, now we can edit this text. So what we can do is we can make it bold, like so it's more readable, and we can also make it italic if we want to. Now we can change the type of text, so the font here essentially. And we can also add media if we want to. So if we will click on add media here, we can insert from URL, or we can select files here and upload them from our website. Now, what else can we do? I'm just going to close this box here. So this is just a very basic menu that I've created, thank you menu, and we can also click on this plus sign, add a flex box. I'm going to add a singular box here, and I'll just click on the plus sign. Then I'll go to image, and here we can add an image for as a thank yous for the people who are visiting our website. And we can also highlight this entire text here, and we will just look to change we can also add a link here to our text. So if people click at something, they can be referred to a to a link. But it's going to look like this, and here we can just customize this to our liking. So if we want to pre-format it here, we can choose this one as well, and that's basically it. You write your text here at the top, and you can add an image right here. So we can just choose image and select files, and it's going to load up our gallery. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. Before you actually close this, you want to publish your website, and that's going to save the page as well. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.